Very good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Sujata Funde from Pratibha International School. I welcome you all in today's session of computer class. Now, students, as we all know that in last session we have solved two activities using computer, right? So, students, in today's session you are going to solve the activity which is there on page number 28. So please open your page number 28 from the computer textbook, and on that you can see the activity section, which I am showing you on the screen. So students, now what we are going to do today. So activity 1, now we are going to do two activities using the computer. So first activity, what we are going to do, first of all we have to double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the drives and folders. Double click on D drive, it will display all the files and folders stored in it. You have to create a new folder in it and rename it with name my activity. So students, you are going to do it with the help of your parents, and you have to create a folder. So students, we have learnt in third lesson only that how to create folders and how to create file. I'm going to show you the video also for that, how to create folder and file. Create a file in MS Word and save it in the my activity folder. So first of all you have to create a folder, and in that folder you have to save your file which you are going to create in MS Word. So you can make any file using MS Word. You can write your name, you can write about yourself. So after that, what you are supposed to do, you have to right click on the my activity folder and select send to option from the shortcut menu. Now select desktop create shortcut option. You will get the shortcut of my activity folder on the desktop. Now full demo I am going to show you after this explanation, but first of all we are discussing what exactly you have to do today. Okay, activity 2 will be right click on the desktop and click on the personalize option. The personalization dialog box appears. Click on the desktop background option. You will get various background options. Select any background of your choice and click on save changes button. So now students, I am going to show you the videos where how you are going to create new folder using my computer. Then you are going to create a file. Then how you are going to make it a shortcut, desktop shortcut, and then at the end we are going to do second activity, that is using personalize option. So students, now we are going to see how to open my computer, okay, and how to create folder in that. So students, when we will start computer, at that time we can see this type of window on the screen, right? So now students, for opening my computer we can see my computer icon. Sometimes we can see my computer icon on the desktop itself, but if it is not there, then yes, like this we can we can select the computer icon from the start button. So first of all we have to click on start button, and when we click on computer button we can see this type of screen. Okay, so here we can see different type of folders and drives, right? So we can see local disk C, local disk D. Okay, like that we can see CD drive also here we can see. So we have to click on D drive, and now students, we know how to create a folder. So yes, here also you can see new option, new folder. So when we will click on that, we can see new folder appears, and to rename that also, here we will get this type of option. So we have to rename. Now what you are going to give name to your folder? My activity. So as we have discussed, we have to give my activity. So when we will open that folder, we can see that the folder is empty. Okay, that means what, students? Once you created your folder in computer, okay, using my computer, you have created your folder my activity. So you are going to create your file using MS Word, and you are going to copy paste that file in my activity folder. So first step of the lab practical will be this, and now we are going to see how we can make that my activity folder desktop shortcut. Okay, how to make that folder desktop and how to create shortcut of that folder, that we are going to see now. Okay, So now students, we are going to see how to make a folder shortcut, how to make a shortcut of any folder. So we can see this type of window again when we start computer. Now students, we are going to see how to create a shortcut. Suppose this one, okay, business services, or this one, if you have to make the shortcut, then you just have to go on that folder. So you are going to select your folder in my computer. You are going to right click on that. So suppose here desktop, or move the mouse. There are so many folders we can see on the desktop. So what we have to do, we just have to go on that folder. So in my computer, you are going to go on your folder, that is my activity. Okay, so suppose here we are selecting all programs. Okay, and then we are selecting Microsoft Office. From that Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access 2010 I'm selecting here. Now you have to select my activity folder from my computer, then right click send to option, and here we can see desktop create shortcut. So here we can see that desktop create shortcut option appears. So first of all, we have to go on our particular folder, then right click and send to option. We can see, can we see here send to option, and when we click on send to option, at that time desktop create shortcut appears. Okay, so yes, when we click that, when we click on desktop shortcut, so our shortcut folder appears on the desktop. Okay, our shortcut folders appears on the desktop. And now documents, yes, when we, yes, documents also, when we click on documents, at that time also we can make a shortcut file of our folder. Okay, yes, so here we can see that document shortcut or Microsoft Access 2010. Now we are going to see how to delete the shortcut folder or file. So it is very easy. We just have to right click on that and we can delete the folder, shortcut folder. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to make a desktop shortcut option, how to make any folder or any file shortcut. You just have to go on your folder, right click on that, and you will get send to option, and when you click on send to option, at that time you will get the option desktop create shortcut. So once you click on that, you will get your shortcut folder or shortcut file. Okay, so this is our first activity. Now activity 2, what we are going to do in activity 2. So students, our activity 2 is we have to right click on the desktop and we have to click on personalize option. So using personalize option, what can we do? Let's see. So we can get this type of window when we open our computer. Okay, so students, in the blank area of the desktop, what we have to do? So for personalize button, we are going to right click in the blank area of the desktop. Yes, so here at the end personalize option we can see. Yes, so when we click on personalize option, at that time we can see different types of themes. So if we will click on any themes, you can get that themes on your background, on your desktop background. So yes students, here we can see our desktop is getting beautiful effects, right? So if you want to change, yes, change the desktop background, you can use this personalize option. Yes, so first of all desktop background, so you can get so many options for the different pictures. Yes, so if you will drag that cursor down, you can get so many options. You can set a time also for the picture, and then save changes. It is very important to click on save changes, then and then only you can get the changed background for your desktop. Window color, now second option, window color also here we can select. Not only desktop background we can select using the personalize, but window color also we can select. We can see that the window is getting different color. Can we see? Yes. So here also save changes option is there. We can set the color. Okay, so there are so many options using personalize option, and once you select any color, you have to go on save changes. Okay, so this was all about desktop background, window color. Now sounds. So sounds also you can select. So this is how students you are going to use personalized option for the desktop background. You can give so many beautiful and attractive effects to your desktop using personalized option. Okay, if you want to change your desktop background, or if you want to set any beautiful theme, you just have to click on personalized option. Now we are going to see what we have seen in third lesson. That means how to copy file, paste file, rename it, like that. Okay, so let's see how to copy, create folders, file and all. Okay, how to rename it, how to paste it, how to delete it, like that we are going to learn now in this session. I hope you all have understood how you are going to do activity 1 and 2 of lab practical. So yes, we have to right click in the desktop area, we have to go on new, and then we can get new folder. So we get a folder option. At the time when we click on folder option, we can create a new folder. So we just have to right click in the blank area of the desktop. So in this way we can create a new folder. Okay, and then here we are giving the name to the folder, that is demo. You can give your name also. Okay, now we have seen that how to create a new folder, but let's see how to rename it. Okay, how to rename it we are going to see. So what we are going to do, yes, right click on that folder and rename we are going to select. So now we can give another name. Rename means again we are going to give any name. So here we are giving demo folder. So first of all we have given demo name to it, and after renaming we have given demo folder. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understood now how to create a folder and how to rename a folder. Okay, so how you all are watching the video, like that only you can also do on the computer. Now right click on that, and we are going to see now how to copy it. So we just have to click on copy option. We have to right click on that folder and we have to click on copy option. Okay, so when we click on copy, and when we click on paste option, so now I'm going to right click in the blank area of the desktop, and I'm going to select paste option, so that I can get a same copy of the folder in the blank area of the desktop. Okay, so I have copied the folder. Till now I have just copied the folder, and now I'm going to paste. So right click first of all, and I'm going to click on paste. So once I click on paste, I can get here, yes, demo folder copy. That means what, I have copied first of all the folder, and then I have pasted the folder. So we have seen now how to copy and how to paste the folder. Now we are going to see how to delete the folder. Okay, it is very easy. We just have to right click on that folder, and we have to click on delete option. We have to click on delete option, so that our folder gets deleted. Yes, here you can see that the folder is getting deleted, and we can see that folder in recycle bin also. Okay, so in recycle bin, yes, here we can see the deleted folder. If you want your deleted folder back, you can go in recycle bin also. Okay, so students, now we have seen about the folder, and now we are going to see about file. Now we are going to see how to create a file in a computer, how to copy the file, how to paste the file, how to rename the file, and even yes, these all things we are going to see now. It is very easy. How we have seen for folder, like that only we are going to see. So yes, now here I'm going to use notepad. You can go in Microsoft Word also. Okay, so once I'll select notepad or Microsoft Word 2010. we are going to get this type of window, so that we can type anything. Okay, you can type anything in your file. You can type information about yourself, so that you can get the new file. Okay, you can get the new file. Now here I have typed DCA, that means diploma in computer, diploma in computer application. So students, instead of this you can write information about yourself. And now once our file has been created, so like that we are going to create our file. So first of all we have to save our file. We are going to go in file option, or using Microsoft Office Word, you can use the office button for saving your file. So here I'm going to save my file, save as. So here I'm going to give name to my file. Okay, so now I'm giving name to my file, that is demo. Yes, I have given a demo name to my file. That means I have saved my file as a demo. And once I have saved, I'm going to close it. So yes, on the desktop we can see our file. So this is how we are going to create our file. Now let's see how to rename the file. Yes, right click on that file and rename. We can get the different name. So demo file, I'm going to give another name to my file. That means I'm going to rename the file, that is demo file. Now we are going to see how to copy the file. Just go on that file, right click, copy, and then again right click in the blank area of the desktop and paste. So we can get same copy of the demo file on the desktop. This is how we can get new copy. How to delete the copy? Delete option. So we have to go on that file and we have to go on delete option, so that our file gets deleted. And it also comes in recycle bin. That means if we want to see the deleted file, or if we want it again, we can go in recycle bin option and we can um, get the file, get the deleted file or folder. Okay, so students, we have seen how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to copy paste them, how to rename them, and how to even delete also to them, right? So students, we are going to just revise the topic which we have seen. Okay, so now let's see what we have seen in working with Windows. So yes, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, we have seen three types of window. Then we have seen the open, the start button. Okay, yes, this type of windows we have seen. Starting windows, start button, computer, files and folders, creating a file. Yes, this we have seen. This is the image of computer. Yes, we have seen the founder of the Microsoft is Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Then we have seen the shortcut menu to create a new file is Control plus N, and we have to press Shift plus Delete to delete files and folders permanently. Yes, we have seen how to create a file and how to save the file also. We have to use Save As option. Okay, using Microsoft Word. We have seen a demo of this also, how we can change the desktop background. Okay, using Personalize option. Yes, then after right clicking on the icon, we can read the properties of that particular icon. Creating shortcut on the desktop, we have seen that first of all on that file, then send to option, and then desktop create shortcut. Okay, yes, so we have seen all these things in lesson number 3. So students, I hope you all have understood today's lesson, today's session, lab practical. If you have any doubt, you can mail your doubts on my mail ID. Students, please do the lab practical which I am telling you. It is very easy. If you are not able to do, please sit with your parents and do the practical. Okay. So So students, this was all about today's session. Now we are going to meet in next session. We have finished with our syllabus and even with lab practical also. The lab practical which I am giving you, you are going to do that practicals, okay? And you are going to upload the files which you all have done using the lab practical in your Google folder, on your Google folder, okay? If you know that on your Google folder there is one folder of computer subject. So in that computer subject there are again three folders, that is activities, notes and assignments, right? So activities which I have given you in the beginning of the session, that you are going to upload. Notes which we have solved the in textbook, that you are going to solve. And assignments means the lab practical, okay? So assignments, the lab practical which I have told you of lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3, that you are going to upload in your Google folder, okay? So now students, I'm going to check your Google folder on 29th. I'm going to check your Google folder on 30th July, okay? So I want your all the three lab practicals which you all have done. I'm going to check your folders, and you have to complete your folders, even you have to complete the notes also. So students, now we are going to meet in next session. Till then, take care and thank you.